Hello everyone, welcome back to statistics class. In today's class I am going to explain you the very important concept, that is standardized death rate, shortly call it as capital letter STDR. So student, I have already explained and I have already studied the concept, many concepts related to mortality. The mortality is nothing but it is the related to deaths. Deaths may be occurred many causes like accident, old age and fever, etc. So, and I have also studied the mortality, the measurement of the mortality. So there are 6 type of mortality, measurement of mortality. Those are: first one, crude death rate; second one, age specific death rate, standardized; third one is standardized death rate; and fourth one, infant mortality rate, IMR; and fifth one, neonatal mortality rate; sixth one, maternal mortality rate. So guys, we have already studied the two of the measurement of mortality. Those are crude death rate and age specific death rate. Now we are going to study the third one. It is very important for 10 marks in your annual examination. That is nothing but standardized death rate. So firstly, we are already studied the crude death rate. The crude death rate is nothing but it is the average number of deaths occurring in the year per 1000 individuals, and symbolically it is denoted by D by P into 1000, and also it represents the deaths per 1000 individuals. And I have already studied the merits and demerits related to the crude death rate, and also I have explained the solved problems on crude death rate. Next comes second one, age specific death rate. Okay, here the crude death rate is also not to help the comparing the two or more population. And similarly, age specific death rate, I have already know the specifically the deaths may be quite high in between the age 0 to 5 and above 60, but it is low in the age group between 25 to 40. Hence, age specific death rate is defined as the average number of deaths occurring in a given age group per 1000 individuals in that age group in a year. Symbolically, it is denoted by capital letter D, small letter t, dt by pt into 1000. And I have already studied the related merits and demerits, and also I have explained the problems, some problems on age specific death rate. So guys, now we have to study the very important concept for 10 marks, standardized death rate. Okay, crude death rate and age specific death rates are very simple, and those are gives the raw data. Okay, but here the standardized death rate, it is very important and it is helps to compare the two or more population. Those are not to help the comparing the populations, but here the standardized death rate, it is comparing the death rates of two or more populations. Okay, concentrate here. The standardized crude death rate cannot be used for comparing death rates. Listen, the crude death rate cannot be used for comparing death rates. CDR is not comparing the death rates of two or more population, because the two populations may have different compositions. Okay, as to regards age and sex, ASDRs through do consider age composition cannot be used for comparing death rates of two or more population, as they are not represented by a single figure. So listen, the crude death rate as well as age specific death rates cannot be measured by two or more composition or two or more populations, but hence standardized death rate is used for comparing the death rates of two or more populations. Like for example, you need to consider Gadag and Hubli populations, or you have to consider the Gadag only and consider the two more areas and take the population growth rate or population death rate, then you have to compare those area easily by using the standardized death rate, how it is the healthy or unhealthy. So standardized death rate is the weighted average of ASDRs. Okay, here the standardized death rate, it is the weightage average of age specific death rates of population by taking standard population as weights. Okay guys, concentrate here, by using the age specific death rate. Okay, age specific death rate is nothing but it is the number of deaths in the specific age group per 1000 individuals in that age group. Okay, by using the age specific death rate we need to calculate the standardized, and also here we need to consider the standard population as weights. Okay, here particular population is taken as standard. The standard population can be one of the given population under study or any other population. After standard population is decided, we calculate standardized death rates for two reasons. Okay, listen here, standardized death rates, the main concept is, by using standardized death rate is to compare the two or more populations. Okay, for example, you need to consider the two more nations, for example China and India, how these two nations are healthy or unhealthy. When the China's population is more, then you have to consider the population is more healthy. When you need to consider the India's population is very low, then you have to consider the India's population growth rate is very unhealthy. So you need to automatically consider what the reason to increasing or decreasing the population in between two more nations. So easily you need to calculate the population growth rate or population death rate, standardized death rate, by using the age specific death rate. By using this age specific death rate, you need to calculate here standardized death rate. Okay, first age specific death rate for each age group is calculated by using population. Okay, by using the population you need by using the population easily you need to calculate the standardized death rate. Then standardized death rate is computed by finding the weighted average of age specific death rates by taking standardized population as weights. Thus the standardized death rates for two population A and B given by, so concentrate here, when you are comparing the two or more region population, for example they are taking here A is one region, one area, and B is one area. By comparing A and B two areas, then you need to take the corresponding formula, that is standardized death rate of the area A equals to the summation of capital letter P the area A is nothing but here age specific death rates to the particular population divided by the sum of population. Okay, and also the standardized death rate between area B equals to summation of capital letter B into P divided by the summation of P. Okay, concentrate here where P is nothing but it is the standardized population and A is nothing but here age specific death rate for population A. Okay, and B is also age specific death rate for population B. A population which has standardized death rate minimum, concentrate here, the standardized death rate is minimum, is a healthy population. Okay, concentrate here, when death rate is less, then you have to comment that area is very healthy population, but the one when standardized death rate is more, then you have to comment it is an unhealthy population. So okay, let us come to a note. First one, CDR of standard population itself STDR. Okay, CDR is nothing but STDR only. Crude death rate of a standard population itself, it is standardized death rate. And second one, CDR is a weighted average of ASDRs of population by taking population as weights. When you are considering the population is weights, then you have to consider the CDR is weighted average of ASDRs. So now next concept is merits and demerits. In that first one, it is good measure of mortality giving importance to a age groups. Okay, it is a one of the very good measure. Okay, more than CDR and ASDR. Here the STDR is a good measure of mortality giving importance to age groups. Okay, we have already know that always the death rate may be quite high in between the age group 0 to 5 and 60 and above. In between 25 and 50 the death rate may be quite low, and also the mortality giving the importance to the age groups. And second one, it can be used for comparison of mortality of two or more populations. Okay, the mean uses of STDR here by comparing the two or more populations. And demerits, first one, it requires standard population and it is difficult to select the standard population. And second one, it is dependent on the age structure of the standard population. When you are considering the population according to the age specific death rate, when they are given the age groups, okay, and also they are given the corresponding population and corresponding deaths, but you have to concentrate when the death rate quite high or quite low or constant. Okay, then you have to easily comment the given area is healthy or not. Okay, by using the STDR. Okay, concentrate here the difference between crude death rate and standardized death rate. Okay, here in crude death rate, the first one is here the population used as weights, and standardized death rate, here the standard population used as weights. Okay, when you are calculating the STD or CDR, but in CDR we are considering the given population is as weights, but in standardized death rate we are consider the standard population is used as weights. Okay, not a population, standard population is used as weights. And second one, in CDR, it cannot be used for comparison of death rates of two or more populations. Okay, consider it here. In CDR, we cannot use it for the comparing the two or more population, two or more areas, two or more nations. Okay, but in standardized death rate, we are using for the comparing the two or more death rates. Okay, two or more nation, two or more areas. Similarly, in CDR, it requires less information. CDR gives you always a raw data. Okay, it's like a less, it gives you a less information, and also it requires the less information, only population and death rates. But in standardized death rate, we need age groups, population, and related population, deaths, number of deaths, and also we need a standard populations. Okay, by using standard population and deaths and population, we need to calculate a specific death rate. Afterwards, we need to calculate by using ASDR, standardized death rate. But in CDR, just we are using the population and deaths. Okay, it requires the less information, but standardized death rate, it requires more information. So let us move on to the problems. I need to explain the problems, whatever they are given in textbooks, they are solved problems. In that first one, for the following data, compute standardized death rates in two towns A and B. Which town is healthier? Okay, I have already studied the standardized death rate by we are using for measuring the given area is healthy or not. Okay, it is the one of the important for 2 marks or 1 marks. Why we are using the standardized death rate? Okay, and which measure is using for the in healthy condition, for measuring the healthy condition? Okay, they are going to ask the which measure is going to measure the healthy condition, then you have to answer the it is a standardized death rate. Okay, here also we are finding the areas between or two towns between the A and B, which town is healthier. Okay, first you need to consider the age group between 0 to 10, 10 to 25, and 25 to 60, 60 and above, and also they are given the related specific age groups of the population as well as deaths, and also they are given standard populations. Okay, concentrate, it's for 10 marks question in your question paper for section D. It's a 10 marks question, and by using standard population, town A deaths, number of deaths and population, town B the number of deaths and population, you need to calculate the corresponding age specific death rates. Okay, for first you need to consider here the town A deaths and population as well as standard population. Okay, first you need to take that the corresponding age groups, population, deaths, and find the ASDR of corresponding age 0 to 10. 36 by 4000 into 1000, it gives you the ASDR. You need to denote that ASDR of capital letter A. It gives a 9, and the corresponding age group 10 to 25, the population is here 12,000, and deaths are in between the 10 to 25 is 48 for 12,000. So guys, you need to find the ASDR of 10 to 25. 48 by 12,000 into 1000, you get here 4. So similarly 25 to 60, the deaths are 60 here and population is 6000. For finding the ASDR, 60 by 6000 into 1000, you get here 10. And similarly 60 and above, concentrate here, the 0 to 10 is, the death rate is 36, but in 60 and above the population is less but the death rate is the quite high. Okay, that is 152. 152 divided by 8000 into 1000, you get here 19. By using, now you are easily calculate the standardized population by using ASDR. Then already they are given standard population. Okay, we have already studied in the difference between the CDR and STDR. In STDR it takes more information, in CDR it takes less information, but in STDR we are considering the standard population is as weights, but in CDR we are taking the population is as weights. So here by using the standard population you need to calculate here PA. Okay, ASDR you need to consider it as capital letter A. Okay, 36 by 4000 into 1000, you get here 9. 48 by 12000 into 1000, you get here 4. 60 by 6000 into 1000 is equals to 10. 152 divided by 8000 into 152 divided by 8000 into 1000, you get here 19. By using these all ASDRs to the corresponding age groups and taking the standard population is as capital letter P, then multiply ASDR of A into standardized population of P, then you get here PA, because the formula is of standardized death rate is summation of PA divided by summation of P. So you need to multiply here P into A to the corresponding age groups. Okay, 2000 into 9 here, it gives 18,000. 4 into 3000, it gives 12,000. 10 into 6,000, it gives 60,000. 19 into 4,000 is 76,000. Okay, by finding the summation of PA and summation of P, then you need to easily calculate the standardized death rate of A. Okay, it's a very simple concept. Then you are concentrate and solve the problem. Definitely you get the 10 marks. Okay, and again you have already calculated the town A standardized population, and next you need to calculate the town B ASDR and PB. So consider the first column age group, that is 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above, and consider the town B population, that is 3000, 20,000, 4,000 and again 3000, and the corresponding town B number of deaths are 30, 100, 48, 60, and corresponding ASDR you need to find here. The ASDR is nothing but the age specific death rates. Okay, by using the deaths and population to the corresponding age groups, you get here 30 by 3000 into 1000, it gives 10. 100 by 20,000 into 1000, it gives 5. 48 by 4000 into 1000, it gives 12. 60 by 3000 into 1000, it gives you here 20. To the corresponding age groups gives you the age specific death rates of B here, that those are 10, 5, 12, 20. So consider these ASDR as capital letter B. Then you have to consider the same standard population to the town B. Okay, they are given the standard population is related to the town A and town B. Okay, you need to consider the standard population to the both town A and town B. Okay, here also you have to take that column standard population 2000, 3000, 6000 and 4000. Okay, here the sum of P is always same in standard in finding this STDR, but you have to concentrate first the given formula is how it is how they are given. Okay, then by multiplying B and P, the ASDR of B and STDR of P to the corresponding age group 0 to 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 60, 60 and above. Okay, then multiply, you get here PB 10 into 2000, that is 20,000, 5 into 3000, you get here 15,000, 12 into 6,000, you get 72,000, 20 into 4,000, you get here 80,000. Okay, by taking the summation of P and summation of PB, by using these two, automatically you need to calculate by easily the standardized death rate of town B. Okay, by taking these two data, the town A, the summation of P is 15,000 and summation of PA is 1,66,000, and similarly the summation of P of B is 15,000 and summation of PB is 1,87,000. Okay, by using these data, easily calculate the standardized death rate of town A and town B. Then take the formula. The standardized death rate of A equals to summation of PA divided by summation of P equals to 1,66,000 divided by 15,000. Okay, consider here the sum of PA is how much here? It's related to town A. It's a 1,66,000 divided by the summation of P is 15,000 is equals to, you get here 11.06, and again you need to calculate here the standardized death rate of town B equals to summation of PB divided by summation of P equals to 1,87,000 divided by 15,000, you get here 12.46. Then you have to compare whether town A the standardized death rate is more or less. Here compare, the standardized death rate of A is less than standardized death rate of B because the 11.06 is less than 12.46. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 11.06 12.46ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡೈಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆತ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೌನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ healthier because it is less, the standardized death rate is less. Then you have to compare, then you have to comment the town A is more healthier, but when standardized death rate is more, then you have to comment that the given problem it is a unhealthy. So the standardized death rate of A is less than standardized death rate of B. Therefore, the town A is more healthier. So understood? If you are not getting the corresponding the problem, please clarify your doubts today itself only. Okay, move on to the next problem. For the following data, compute the standardized death rates and comment. Okay, here also they are given the locality A and locality B, but in previous problem they are given town A and town B. Here also it is a similar as the previous problem. Okay, first you need to consider the locality A deaths and population to the corresponding standardized populations. Okay, a specific age groups in years 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 and above, and corresponding deaths 72, 54, 98 and 129 to the corresponding population is 4,000, 9,000, 7,000 and 3,000. By using the corresponding deaths and population to the corresponding age groups, find the ASDR. Okay, that is nothing but that is capital letter A, because you need to calculate here the summation of PA and summation of P. They are already given the standardized population is nothing but it is the P only, capital letter P only. Standardized population is nothing but it is a capital letter P only. You need to take the only a summation of P. Okay, for using the corresponding deaths and population to the corresponding age groups. Okay, 72 divided by 4,000 into 1000, you get here 18. 54 divided by 9,000 into 1000, you get 6. And 98 divided by 7,000 into 1000, you get here 14. And 129 divided by 3000 into 1000, you get here 43. Here the 18, 6, 14, 43 are the corresponding age groups of the age specific death rates. By using these 4, you need to multiply to the corresponding standard population, that is P. 6,000 into 18, you get here 1,08,000. 12,000 into 6, you get here 60,000. 8,000 into 14, you get here 1,12,000. And similarly 4,000 into 43, you get here 1,72,000. Automatically you need to take the summation of PA and summation of P. You get here summation of PA is nothing but it is a 6,000 plus 12,000 plus 8,000 plus 4,000, it gives 30,000. And summation of PA 1,08,000 plus 60,000 plus 1,12,000 plus 1,72,000, it gives here the 4,64,000. Okay, similarly you need to calculate the locality B of ASDR, age specific death rate, and you need to calculate by using the standard population PB. Okay, consider again age groups, deaths, population to the locality of B. Here they are given already the corresponding age groups of deaths and population. 128 divided by 8,000 into 1000, here you get the corresponding ASDR of the age group 0 to 20 is 16. Okay, again calculate the 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000, you get here 5. 140 divided by 10,000 into 1000, here you get 14. 160 divided by 4,000 into 1000, you get here 40. And again by using the corresponding ASDR of 16, 5, 14, 40, multiply again the given standard population, you get here the capital letter PB. Okay, 6,000 into 16, here you get 96,000. 5 into 12,000, here you get 72,000. 14 into 8,000, here you get 1,12,000. 40 into 4,000, here you get 1,60,000. So automatically here also you need to take the summation of P and summation of PB of locality and locality B. So first you need to take the standardized death rate of formula is A equals to summation of PA divided by summation of P. Okay, substitute the summation of PA, the locality of A, PA is 4,64,000 and summation of P is 30,000. Here you get 15.47. Okay, again you need to find here the STDR, standardized death rate of locality B, equals to the summation of PB divided by summation of standardized population. Here already you are calculating, then substitute here. The summation of PB is 4,28,000 divided by the summation of P is 30,000. Here you get 14.27. Again concentrate. Here the standardized of locality A is more than standardized death rate of locality of B. Okay, 14 is less than 15.47. Then you have to comment the standardized death rate of B is less than standardized death rate of A. Hence, therefore, locality B is more healthier than locality A is less healthier. Okay, it is unhealthy because the standardized death rate is more in locality B. Hence, it is unhealthy. But in locality B, the death rate is less, then you have to comment it is more healthier. So guys, the next problem is compute standardized death rates for two towns A and B state. Okay, concentrate here. In first problem they are given town A and town B, and second problem they are given locality A and locality B, but they are here given the town A and town B and state which town is healthier. Okay, here also they are given town A and B, but they are need to ask the which town is healthier. Again you have to apply the similar procedure. Okay, and they are given already. Concentrate here the age groups in years 0 to 9, 10 to 29, 30 to 59, 60 and above, but they are given already the corresponding ASDR of the population town A, and also consider the town B. They are already given the calculated value of the ASDR of B. Okay, here A is nothing but the capital letter A is nothing but here 18, 10, 15, 20, and again the town B is capital letter B is ASDR of B is 20, 12, 18, 24. So again by taking the standard population with corresponding A and corresponding B, okay, because they are already given deaths per thousand. Okay, because ASDR is nothing but we are calculating the A specific death rate is per thousand. Already they are given here by calculating the deaths per thousand, that is nothing but that is capital letter A, and the town B is is related ASDR is they are given deaths per thousand. Those are 2012, 18, 24. Okay, these two are considering A and B. So by using these two, you need to calculate here capital letter PA and capital letter PB. So first you need to take the standard population. The total standard population is 1 lakh here. After you need to multiply with corresponding age groups of the age specific death rate. Here 18 into 15,000, you get here 2,70,000. 35,000 into 10, here you get 3,50,000. 30,000 into 15, here you get 4,50,000. 20 into 20,000, here you get 4 lakh. Then you have to take the summation of PA. And similarly, the multiply to the age specific death rates of town B to the corresponding standard population. 20 into 15,000, here you get 3 lakh. 35,000 into 12, get here 44 lakh 20,000. 30,000 into 18, here you get 5 lakh 40,000. 20,000 into 24, here you get 4 lakh 80,000. So you need to take the again summation of P and summation of PA and summation of PB. Then similarly substitute in the standardized death rate of A and B. Okay, here the standardized death rate of A, the formula is summation of PA divided by summation of P, and standardized death rate of B, town B, equals to summation of PB divided by summation of P. Here the summation of PA is 1,47,000 divided by 1 lakh. Here you get 14.7, and standardized death rate of town B equals to 1,74,000 divided by 1 lakh. Here you get the 17.4. Again you need to compare the standardized death rate of town A is less than standardized death rate of town B. So guys, you need to comment when the standardized death rate is less, then you have to comment that the town is more healthier. Okay, but the town B is unhealthy. So because the death rate is quite high in the town B, so you have to comment it is unhealthy and the town A is more healthier. Okay, and next problem you need to calculate. Okay, if you are not getting, you need to ask and clarify your doubts. Okay, next class we will discuss the again 4th, 5th and 6th measurement of the mortality. So guys, will explain the more explanation in the next class. Okay, thank you.